is a testament of the rich history of Nigeria's cultural diversity and the significance of Sango Festival in preserving and showcasing our heritage. On behalf of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Tinubu, DCFR, I extend our heartfelt appreciation to UNESCO for acknowledging the cultural importance of these elements. The Sango Festival indeed embodies the spirit of unity, tradition, resilience, and power that defines our nation. It serves as a beacon, binding us together as a people and the need to keep the spirit alive. As we celebrate this momentous occasion, may I express Nigeria's commitment to continue safeguarding and promoting our intangible cultural heritage. The Ministry of Arts, Culture and the Creative Economy of Nigeria, under my watch, will remain steadfast in its dedication to fostering an environment where our tradition can thrive and evolve. Who is honored absent due to the expenses of work. And thereafter, I'm going to also hand it out to a representative of the community to say a few words, a few lines, and someone from the NGO as well. The chairman of the Intergovernmental Committee, members of the Intergovernmental Committee, and observer states, excellencies, the ADG Culture, the Secretary of the ICH, esteemed members of the evaluation body, the distinguished representative of state parties, NGOs, leaders, ladies and gentlemen. Let me first congratulate the government of Botswana and the Unesco for organizing the 18th session of the Intergovernmental Committee for the Safeguarding of Intangible Cultural Heritage here in Tanzania. This will remain memorable in our hearts. Excellencies, we are before you today with immense honor and gratitude as we celebrate the inscription of our Sango Festival on the representative list of intangible cultural heritage of humanity by the UNESCO Intergovernmental Committee for the Safeguarding of Intangible Cultural Heritage. In accepting this prestigious recognition, we pledge to work tirelessly to ensure that Sango Festival and other aspects of our cultural wealth are safeguarded for the future generation. Together, let us celebrate this shared heritage and embrace the responsibility that comes with being stewards of such invaluable treasures. On behalf of Nigeria, I wish to once again thank UNESCO, the Secretariat of the 2003 Convention, the evaluation body, and the community for the excellent work done. May the Sango Festival continue to shine as a symbol of our shared cultural vibrancy on the global stage. I thank you all for listening.
Sango Festival is the expression of the intangible cultural heritage of the Yorùbá people, uniting diverse forms of social, cultural practices in our community. Marks the beginning of the Yorùbá traditional New Year. It starts from the town of Sango called Kusu, where the ancient Kusu temple is situated. The Sango Drum Festival is strongly connected to the social, religious, cultural, and political institutions in Yorùbá land. It is known in commemoration of Declarado, Sango, the tall Alaafin, king of Yorùbá Empire, believed to be the incarnate of the mythical Sango, Yorùbá worship divinity of thunder and light. Every Alaafin of your community is crowned at the Sango shrine in Kusu, where the festival commences. The performance encompasses different forms of techniques, skills, and craftsmanship, through the various cross-section for our people manifested. Sango Shango festival is a reflection of the traditional diversity of our people. The festival is so inclusive as it engages the men, women, boys, girls, old and young, in key roles for the overall success of the festival. The festival climaxes in the 10th day when the Shango priest, Pele Shango, moves from his house to embody the ancestral Shango and
of your states, I wish to appreciate this illumination for the Asian Festival Shango Festival of Oyo, which took us 10 years to reach here. We are very happy. Thank you very much.
Kábíyèsí, 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 kábíyèsí ní orúkọ oníṣàngó ti ìlú Ọ̀yọ́ àti oníṣàngó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá àti oníṣàngó ìlú gbogbo àgbáyé pátápátá. Òkè lẹ́gbọ́n máa rú sí òkè ní ìjọ Unesco máa lọ yóò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yóò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ìgbà tí wọ́n sọ pé ìsàpá ló ti dòdó sọmọ rẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀ ajáfún òṣòlà àlú bá bí ọmọ arígbọ́ta sẹ́kùn ìgbà tí bẹ́ẹ̀ láàrin ọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú ọ̀tá ẹbọ ọmọ ni ó ṣe ìjẹ́kì àrí sẹ́tẹ̀ igbó ọ̀tá àrí sẹ́tẹ̀ ẹgbọ̀n sẹ́tẹ̀ ọ̀tá yóò sẹ́tẹ̀ yóò rẹ̀ tó.
And also to pray for the success of the organization. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We now examine the nomination from Alaafin with the traditional dance in Alaafin.
Hello. Estou neste momento em Botswana, em Kazan, na África do Sul, para o evento da Unesco, onde vão declarar hoje o Festival de Sango como Patrimônio da Humanidade. Vou juntar ao um link para quem quiser ver ao vivo a nomeação do Festival de Sango como Patrimônio Mundial, e a hora local é às 4h15. Terão que ver qual é a hora de onde estão a ver o evento.